Hi, let's practice sketching with these Colleen color pencils from PNA. I'm using these flowers as a reference, so they are in a vase right in front of me. You can use whichever reference you want. We'll be looking at complementary colors, so primary and secondary colors that are opposite each other. Red and green, yellow and purple, blue and orange. So those are the primary colors, and then the secondary colors that are opposite them on the color wheel. I started out by sketching a little block and then sketching out each part of the flower, just the basic shapes, and then you can go ahead and sketch in some shading. So the darkest parts will be dark, you'll color in a bit harder, and then the lighter parts you will kind of sketch very lightly, and then you just define each petal or each leaf depending on what you are using as your reference, and you add in your shading darkest and lightest points, and then add in some details. That's what really brought these lilies to life. And then go ahead and add in any last details you need. Then I took my secondary color and added it into the background to really make the blue stand out. And you can go ahead and practice a sketch with each of the different sets of complementary colors.